What's up, guys? Want to hear something cool? Check this out.
Hi, thanks for calling Green Rhino. Did you know the quickest way to get a quote and book is through our online tool? Simple, instant, and hassle-free. I'm Sarah, here to help. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I'd like to get a quote for carpet cleaning.
No problem. Have you used our services before?
No, I haven't.
All right. To make booking easy, I can text you a direct link to your mobile phone for our online booking tool. From there, you'll be able to get a quote and even schedule a service at your convenience. Would you like me to send you that link?
Yeah, go ahead and send that link.
Are you calling from a mobile phone?
Yes.
I have just sent the link via text. Thank you.
Okay,
I've sent the link to our booking.
Can I also get a quote here with you?
Of course. What city will the cleaning take place in?
San Luis Obispo.
Got it. Can you tell me what areas or items need cleaning? For example, bedrooms, living rooms, or upholstery?
I'd like a living room. I would like a dining room, 2 bedrooms, and a staircase cleaned.
All right, let's calculate that. For 2 bedrooms, a living room, a dining room, and a staircase in San Luis Obispo, your total estimate is $310. Would you like to proceed with scheduling?
Can you add a sectional sofa, please?
Sure thing. Let's add that sectional sofa. Here's the updated estimate. 2 bedrooms, $150. Living room, $100.
I would just like to know the final estimate.
Apologies for that. The total estimate, including the sectional sofa, is $610. Would you like to schedule your service now?
Yes.
I'll be sending the calendar via email and SMS. Just book the time and we'll take care of the rest. Great. I've sent you a link to book your appointment.
Okay, well, thank you very much. That was cool, wasn't it? And check it out. I forward it to that every day before I go out to work. I don't have to constantly focus and see if my phone is ringing, all right? I'm missing them too much. I was missing them too much. Now I'm not missing all of them, okay? So I'm capturing that lead. So these are leads that we pay a lot of money for through Google ads and Facebook ads and stuff like that, when we're getting organic calls and missing them. So that is something that could be avoided. If you're an owner operator, you can't afford to hire an employee for $3,000 a month, right? This is an option. And guess what? It's always professional. And guess what? It's going to be working 24/7 when you're asleep. And guess what? You can turn it off anytime you want to. Okay? It is customizable for your business, for my business. I have 2 different. I have another AI agent that actually just sends a booking link, right? And does transfer to me also if they want to speak to a human. This one's a more advanced one that will actually give a quote, also send a booking link, or transfer to me. And also, by the way, guys, at the beginning of the call, you noticed it asked me, have we used your service? Have I used their services before? Okay, the customer I'm trying to. And I said, no. What if I would have said yes? Then the AI employee would have said, oh, fine, let me transfer you to somebody. So they would have transferred it to me. You know why? Because I know if a customer has used our services before and called back, they're willing to leave a message and wait for a return call because they like our services. Plus, we have all their details already, all right? So I'm not worried about repeat customers calling me, all right? So we can go ahead and transfer that to your voice. Or, I mean, if it transfers and I hear the ring, then I pick it up anyway, all right? So it's just a safeguard on that also. So yeah, but when I say that I haven't used the service, then the whole script goes into play, right? being able to give a quote and be able to schedule, catch that lead. It's also replying to all my DMs, all my comments underneath all my social media, Facebook and Instagram. So if somebody comments, it replies. And it actually replies as kind of like a salesperson. So if you ever get below one of my social media posts, try it out. Say something. See what happens. And what happens is I have it to where it sends them a booking link if they're interested. So it goes straight to my House Call Pro booking link, which I have set up amazing, simple. I love that too. So with that booking link through House Call Pro, with this feature that I'm offering, I'm hitting all the bases. My company's on a remote control. I'm a lot less stressed when I'm out there on the field. I'm not worried about missing calls, especially if I'm advertising, right? And it's, and it's saving me a lot of money. Not really saving me, it's gaining me a lot of money because I'm not missing those calls that are $300 average for a job, right? For just carpet cleaning. I'm not missing those. Okay? If I'm missing 2 a week, $600. If I'm missing, 2 a week every week for a month, that's $2,400 I'm missing. So check it out. Below the video, there's a link. Hit the drop down. You'll see a link, and it'll take you to the home page where you can actually demo it. And it's a more generic one, but you can see how it works, kind of like what I showed you here. But for every business, it needs to be customizable, right? For what your structure is. Maybe you don't have online booking, right? Maybe you don't want to give a quote over the phone. Maybe you just want to catch that lead, right? So that's things we have a conversation about as you get started on this, and we launch you, and then you're on remote control. Okay, guys? So that's it for this one. Any questions? Comment below. Let's go.